Change copy sizes for HP Smart Tank printers. For printers with button-only control panels, you can change the copy size settings using the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. There are two methods that you can use to open the advanced settings for your printer. You can use the free HP Smart app, or you can access the EWS directly using the printer IP address. The HP Smart app can be downloaded from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. If you have the app, double-click the printer image. Then select Advanced Settings. You are then brought to the EWS homepage. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can use the printer IP address to access the EWS. With the printer powered on, press the Information button to print an information report. This report has the printer IP address on it. Open a web browser and enter the IP address in the URL field. If a warning message appears, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer EWS will not harm your computer. You are then brought to the EWS homepage. Once you are on the EWS homepage, click Copy. Under Copy Settings, open the Resize drop-down menu and select Custom. Enter a percentage value to reduce or enlarge the copy size. To enlarge the copy size, enter a value greater than 100, such as 150 for example. To reduce the copy size, enter a value less than 100, such as 50 for example. After entering a value, click Apply. The value entered becomes the new default copy size setting until it is changed again. You can now copy the document or photo from the printer control panel and it will print using the new copy size.